Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 12T Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find here a little white box on top, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings a bit to release it, and otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you are able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and optional if you want a second one below. Okay, let's take now the first SIM card and place it like this. Press a bit, that's where I insert it, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and as you can see the contacts, they are on top. Okay. And if you want, you can add on the other side of the SIM tray also a second SIM card. As I've said, this is optional, so just insert it also well, press a bit. And this is how it should look like here. Exactly the same, also missing corner on missing corner. It just fits like that. And the contacts are on top as well. And if you're ready with it, just put your construction here back to the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on the display side, so on top. Close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.